Okay, so now we're going to make Nam Jim Jaew. Yeah, Nam Jim Jaew, good for the grill meat, all the grill meat. Okay, now this is all the mixture. Okay, tamarind sauce, 200 ml tamarind sauce. Yeah, just one piece of shallot, spring onion, cow cua, 3 tablespoons, palm sugar, a quarter of tablespoon. Yeah, and then prick bone, 3 tablespoons of prick bone. Okay, and 1 lamb. Yeah, we just do like this first. Yeah. Okay, fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay. Now we put in the mixed bowl. We slice shallot. Okay, very fine.อะไรวะทำไม Okay, first we put the palm sugar. We just stir it. We stir it until this one mix the like melt, yeah, all together. And then 3 tablespoons. We put the shallot together. And 1 piece, the whole lemon, the whole lamb. We just squeeze it. Put chili powder, 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of cow cua. Okay, and slice spring onion. You want to finish this one, nah? This one.
Yeah, can be.
Then just a little bit more, just finish it. And top with the sliced and spring onion. Okay, look น่ากินไหม And a few pieces of coriander on top. And that's it.